welcome back to another video of Tony's Phone Collection. Today we got another unboxing from a different eBay seller. This phone was a little bit more expensive. I think it was right around $30, something like that. Here it is in this little mobile kit, which actually this is like the second one of these that I've got with this little case thing. So yeah. I wonder if I bought it from the same seller. I have to double check. But it is a Nokia, just like this one. The 6205, I think it is. Yeah, 6205. Except for it is the Dark Knight edition. So as you can see, it's completely black. It's got a rubbery texture on the edge right here compared to this one. And it looks like kind of like a black stainless steel in a way on the inside. This one's kind of like a brushed aluminum. But yeah, let's see if it turns on. It might have some power in it. There we go. So yeah, there's the difference between them. I've never actually seen this before, so I went ahead and picked it up. It was a little more I wanted to spend, but it's kind of different to have something like this in here. I think it has preloaded ringtones and a whole bunch of other stuff that we'll have to check out in a later video when I do the review and stuff. So hope you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned for the next one.